Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and having a great day today. Here, our weather in Pennsylvania is beautiful today. It's not hot, it's not humid, there's a breeze. We're able to turn the AC off and open the windows and get lots of fresh air. So I am just loving this kind of weather. It's rare for June, so we had it yesterday and today, so I am happy to not be hot and have to be stuck in the air conditioning just to be comfortable. And I hope where you are, your weather is nice. So let's get right into the video for today. Today I just got this box the other day, and this is LookFantastic. And I didn't even take it out of the box. So it comes in a box, a shipping box. Get it out here. And this is the first box that I am receiving from LookFantastic. And this is the box. These are pretty boxes. Nice pretty yellow box to keep. Let's see what's in here. This looks like a coupon for one of the food services and free contact lenses. Okay. So since LookFantastic is new to the channel, I'll just real quick, I'm sure you've seen it on other channels, that you can choose 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, and they call it a rolling subscription, and it includes free international shipping, which is good. And what they mean by a rolling subscription is that you sign up for, let's say, 6 months. You're not billed for all 6 months all at once. You're billed each individual month for those 6 months. And at the end of the 6 months, your subscription will renew, probably for an additional 6 months, unless you get the option to choose a different plan. You know, I don't know that because I did not do that. But that's a nice feature, and I think this is the only one that I've ever heard that does that, where they bill you each month, even though you're picking, you know, a chunk of months as your subscription plan. And you get 6 beauty products. They promise a value of over $65. And you also get the latest edition, and it's a mini version of Elle magazine, the UK version. And these boxes are always very nice to keep, to store stuff in. Sometimes I use them to ship. You know, giveaways, depending, if it's face masks. So here you get a book. It's a really pretty book. And in the book, you know, it's just all different about the products, about the box, things like that. So we'll use that as to refer if we need to. And here is the Elle magazine. Not really big into too many magazines these days, but oh, this is nice. There's a sample for Miss Dior perfume in there. So, oops, let's see what that is. I can't get it out. Okay, I will check into that later. And just, you know, nice little magazine if you want to read a magazine. I guess it's not bad, because this would fit easily like in a handbag or something too. If you wanted to, you know, take it in a doctor's office. It's small, it's not as big. It's wrapped in nice yellow tissue with a LF Beauty Box hashtag sticker. Just rip into it. Comes with a little silica pack. That's the first time I've seen do that in a long time, to keep it fresh. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Smells good. Something smells good in here. So let's open this to see about the products. And I'm going to put that. So we will, not that, oh, it's right here. And the first item, let me get this so I can see, is SVR. And this is an eyelid cream. It's not in, I wonder if this is like a, what country this is from, because that's not, oh, France, so that would be French, the, under the, you know, on the labeling. And this has hyaluronic acid, omega-3, 6, and 9 in it. So let's see what the package looks like. French skincare is good, so why not? And this is the packaging, so that's a nice little size. And do these give values? Because I don't know. I've never gotten this box before. And in here that tells you, I don't see any value, any prices. Or do I? Oh yes, it does give you prices. This is worth, now this, since LookFantastic is a UK-based box, so this is either going to be in euros, pounds, pence, you know, their money. So this is worth 15 euro right here. I'll just put that in the lid. What I'm going to do is, hopefully, you guys will be able to see that, and then you could read about that. Because I've never heard of that brand. Obviously, it's a French brand, so I wouldn't expect to hear about it. So then the next item is a peeling mask. And that's, do I have it right? Yep, right here. And this is peel mask, and this is from E-Cooking. No panic. If skin turns red, it works. Add moisturizer after. I don't know if I like that. Don't panic. This is Danish skincare brand. This has a value of 11 pounds, 10 pence. I guess that's pounds. I guess that's not euros. That must be, the first one was 15 pounds. It's kind of hard to tell. It looked like euros. Okay, so we have a lid, but it's a little off. But we'll see. And this is, you know, sample size. It's not completely full, but there's still some on the lid, and there is, you know, a little safety lid. Let's see. That has a weird smell. I don't know what that is. Okay. So this is a peeling mask. All right, I'll give that a try. So I will show you here. It's in this section here of the color. So we're getting French skincare, Danish skincare. Let's see what this next one is. This is that this one? No. Oh, there's a little bottle. Oh my God, that is a small sample. This is Bio Effect EGF Serum. This is for your face and neck. What does this do? It is a serum. Oh, this is an Icelandic brand, so this is nice. So this is coming from all over the place. And this is a replica of EGF, a naturally occurring human protein. Okay, this is small. So I'm going to show you right there. I mean, it is, you know, a little dropper. Let me get it open. Let me see. Okay. So it is a little dropper. You probably only need a drop or two. Yes, it's 2 drops. So that's okay. I mean, these are sample boxes. So there is right here, that product. Okay. Quiet. Okay, just had to pause the video and see why she was barking like that, because she shouldn't be. So next we have what's in the box. So we could have gotten one of 2 treatments, a surf spray or a thickening Go Big treatment. And I received the thickening Go Big treatment, and this is from Bumble and Bumble. This has a value of £2 40 pence. And that's good. So spray throughout damp hair, blow dry and style as desired. You know, I don't really need my hair to be any thicker. It's thick enough, but I will give it a try. And I don't know if I showed you on there. So that's that. Oh, this is probably what I was smelling. Yeah. So here from Corez, we have, this is natural pure Greek soap, and you could have gotten chamomile pomegranate. Or is that chamomile? Okay, so this is chamomile. You could have gotten chamomile, pomegranate, or olive and olive blossom. This has a value of £5. Work into a lather, gently cleanse. Sakura's, I use, I have some of their lipstick and I have hand creams from them, and this is natural content. So I will give that a try. Why not? They have good products. Just make sure that that's all that's in here. And this last product is from Filorga. Filorga. And this is a French dermatology clinic brand. It's a small sample. And let's see what this is. Collagen and hyaluronic acid work together to visibly reduce the signs of aging. Okay, and it's created by a French dermatology clinic. All right, well, I'm not mad at that. I mean, these are small samples. This is $15. Is that what I said? $15. Is that what I paid for this? $15? I think it was $15. And, or 19, one of those. 15 or 19, I'm not really sure. Okay, so we got a full-size bar of Core soap, and that's not cheap. You know, they're saying it's worth £5. So if I paid $15, the other product's worth $10. I don't know if this is full size or not. I would have to look this up to see if this was full size. I mean, the other ones are clearly samples. This is no different than Allure or Glossy Box. And I know Glossy and LookFantastic, I think, are the same parent company. And then this just gives you, you know, just other information in it that doesn't apply to the box, just other information. So I think these books are cute to have. I think this is actually better. Well, I would say it's not better. I would say it's better than Glossy Box because it's not as expensive as Glossy Box, and Glossy Box is still giving you all these little, you know, little samples like this, just like this is. So if one of these boxes is going to go, it's going to be Glossy Box because they're consistently sending you small samples for $21 plus, where if this is $15 or $19, it's still cheaper. And you get a magazine, which is nice, and I'm sure this has a value. I wonder what the value of this is. And this is June 2019, so this is, I mean, it has a £4.50 value, and that's crossed off because it's probably, you know, a promotional, you know, maybe the big magazine cost that. So even if this was worth $2 or $3 and the soap is worth $5, there's almost a little bit more than half of the value of the box right there. And a little magazine is nice to have every once in a while, like I said, to throw in your handbag or just sit down with a cup of tea or a coffee, glass of wine, whatever your drink of choice is, and just, you know, go through the magazine. That's nice. So, you know, I'm not unhappy with this. I don't know how long I'll keep Glossy Box in this box. I wanted just to see a comparison between the two and see what's going on. And I'll make a decision after a month or two. I usually like to keep them for 3 months to decide whether it's going to get canceled, and then I'll look for another box or two to bring onto the channel. So leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this box. You know, getting brands from all different countries is interesting. I do have a few products that come from Iceland. It's called Skin Iceland. You know, a makeup remover and an eye cream and a moisturizer, and they're very good. So I'm not going to knock different countries' skincare. Might be better than ours. So it's worth definitely trying to see, you know, if they work. Do you like them? Do you not like them? And so leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to like this video. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.